Hi everyone, today we are going to go through AK3V mini PC. AK3V uses Intel Celeron J3455 processor with built-in HD graphic 500. It also has dual-band Wi-Fi AC and Bluetooth. There are two HDMI ports, two USB 2.0 and two USB 3.0. There is a microSD reader on the side and a 3.5mm audio port and an extra VGA port. This configuration comes with 128GB SSD, and extra storage can be easily added by removing the top cover. It will take most 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD on market. AK3V is ready to use out of the box. We just have to connect it to power, monitor, internet, and press the start button. AK3V can support up to 3 monitors by utilizing the HDMI port and VGA port. There is a handy LED light near the bottom of the unit. It will change color depending on the current status. There are a total of 4 USB ports, which means we will have no problem connecting a lot of accessories to the unit. We can connect wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, and extra storage through the USB ports. Intel Celeron 3455 processor is by no means a powerhouse, but it is able to handle daily tasks very well with low power consumption. It does play 4K video with audio smoothly. Web browsing and document editing are pretty fast on this unit. The configuration I have right now has 8GB DDR3 memory built in. It handles multitask fairly well. I can open multiple tabs in browser at the same time. There is almost no lag when I switch between tabs. HTML5 games inside browser also runs smoothly. I have also tried editing small photos in Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom. It is responsive when I'm doing minor editing here and there. However, major editing like using multiple layers does slow down the system a bit. Keep in mind that mini PC is usually used to handle jobs which requires less computing power. They are light, portable, and can be easily hid behind TV or monitors. They also consume much less power comparing to those powerful towers. Next, I will show the hardware configuration using Windows system information. This mini PC is a good choice as a living room computer or a multimedia server. It supports standard VESA mount and can be mounted behind most HDTV. Next, I will show the Windows Experience Index scores. AK3V scores more than 8 in most fields except the graphic. However, graphic-intensive games would be best run on powerful tower instead of mini PC. I hope you will find the information in this video useful, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.